One shot now. Mika, go away. Tell such man say. Fame foot. Mika, let me tell you this. Tell your little haggard man where you have over there. Say me Brittany Gawfff. No want him back. Yeah. That's what I tell him, say, because time say, make him know, say, me find a new man. Or come in and me like, or treat me like a woman. When I got this me, for nobody. You understand me? I'm a wife to tell him that. I'm gone. Me gone, Mika. Honestly. Me I go call my hubby and I want to see what I must say.
Story time with Brit. Watch till the
so the man
end.
gonna work at night time. As the man gonna work, me gonna work. You want to know, say, the man gonna work at night time, so me gone out with man. So you don't want to say, man no come in till morning time. Sometimes I tell him, say, yo, me gone over my people them yard. So me tell him, say, look, alright, so call say, no, I'm not even, me call him and say, babes, me gone over my sister, yeah, so, me not gonna come home till tomorrow evening. And he say, alright, be safe. You don't want to say, a man, me gonna lock down with the same man. So you know what I know, say, me and the man meet and the man pressure your line now. Me well bruise up, you know. I know, say, me have to walk, so if you go in my house, me can't go in my pum tender, me can't touch it. You know what I say, as me reach in now and bathe and freshen up and already now, me see my real man come in. Honey like a rose. Honey. So me I say, what you do? So me hear me now. Me know what me could get rid of the money. Hear me, say me in a mood. Me stress out, hear me? Me stress out, now go for me. Me try to find this kid. Me stress out, me can't. That's nothing now work. Me I say, I'm going to tell the man, say, look, me stress out. You know what I know, say everything that's swell up, you know. Can't manage that thing, you know. You know what I know, say the man run me down the house, cause me start run. The man start tear on my clothes. Me start crawl upon the ground. Me start say, why? In the house, cause house big. The man pull off my clothes. You know what I know, say when the man feel going now. See me that ball, me no know, me start ball, you live in your water, okay, you know, say, that the man that done pressure your line. Line pressure. And him now. But me tell her, like I say, but a man like I'm cheat with film something, look like boss, so. But me don't know, like, him.
Hey people, wagwan, enough love and enough respect. So, a man pleads guilty to robbing the entertainer Kiprich's apartment. The 21-year-old thief, Kemar Jones, was accused of stealing money and jewelry from the entertainer. He pleaded guilty on Monday to housebreaking and larceny. He is to be sentenced on July 12 in the St. Catherine Parish Court. When Jones appeared before the parish court, Judge Natalie Carey Dixon, on Monday, he was remanded for a social inquiry report to be conducted. So the robber stole a Rolex watch valued at US $15,000, a gold chain valued at US $12,000, and a sunglasses valued at US $450, along with US $15,000 in cash and Canadian $300 in cash. So the accused was subsequently held after some of the stolen items were recovered in downtown Kingston. He is being represented by attorney at law Kamisha Harrison. So people, all I thief them just a come out from the other day. All of the thief them just a come out. And me believe, sir, but I just my believe. Whether or not him return the items them, him should have pay for all of them. Whether or not him return them. Because them a get out of hand now. Then if you put something more than prison in place for thief them, because them a get from bad to worse.
But Kiprich with a bad experience back home, robbed whilst at an Airbnb in Portmore of jewellery including a Rolex and cash to spend at a hardware store and to make a music video.
Cash itself is about 13,000. And I don't want the people them to think that Kiprich walk up and down with this kind of money every day. So I don't want to be that kind of target. I have business here doing, that is why I have that amount of money on me. I lose a lot of stuff, man. Yo, listen, Mr. Miller, that Rolex there, you know. I know one time I go in at the jewelry store and just pay for that, you know, because I go pay 25,000 US dollar for a Rolex one time. That rough. You understand me? So I put down my little money them on it. So I go there, I put down 2 grand. I go back, I put down grand 5. I have a 5 bills and I pass the jewelry store, I go put it down same way until it reach the amount. And then I take up my watch. You understand? So it's not like, boy, money just a shower from everywhere and we can just take it up and lose it and it come back and it's cool. Well, I hear a lot of people saying, what Kiprich doing in Portmore? What to Portmore? You know what I mean? It was a gated community.
The police says Kiprich with footage of
yes,
the break-in.
people have some good news. Got back most of the items that was stolen. I just want to big up Father God first of all who make everything possible. Big up the caller who saw the video, recognize the person and reach out. Your blessing countless. Big up yourself to the fullest. Saying, big up the street network. Big up the police them who do them thing. I want to tell you this now. Jamaica, I love my island. Saying, I talk to them like a petty criminal, you know. But out there do them kind of something here. Saying and people where set up people and all them kind of thing there. We now make it look bad on we little island bridging like we can't go nowhere in our little island again. Saying we have to segregate and all them kind of thing there. It don't make no sense, brother. Saying we want back with Jamaica where I preach love, peace, prosperity. That Jamaica they we want back. Saying. So again, big up everybody who reach out. Even the cars I'm gonna get for answer, you don't know through me that go through a vibe and thing. Saying you don't know, but me appreciate all of them. Love and manners in people. Saying Jamaica me could do better now. Saying the brother will take me thing them in a police custody at the moment. Investigation is still ongoing. So you don't know the thing go. Cause we know him alone. We know all of that. But as I say, investigation still ongoing. You see me I say?